If a single Krabby Patty can be saved, then we must be the savers. Anybody who would treat Krabby Patties like that deserves some sponge justice. We've got stuff to save and people to collect. Or is it the other way around? So many tubes, so many machinery things. So cool. It's like a beautiful fairground. What could possibly hurt us here? Look, it's one of those master models that Chadbot wants. There's a master model. Let's get it for the Chadbot. Hey, there's one of the things we're looking for. A master model. Wow, it's beautiful. That's another model for the collection. Right there. Hey, who's that in that pod? Looks like a tiny robot. Look, in that pod, a girl robot. Let's save her. Hey, there's a dog with a really big tail in that pod. Oh no, it's a kitty. A really big kitty.